Welcome to the Portum app. After a brief overview of the benefits of Portum and enabling location and Bluetooth settings, you'll be directed to the Setup page. Here, you'll add your first safe harbor. Safe harbors are locations you live or visit regularly where you want to be protected by Portum. Simply enter a business name or address and you're done. You've completed setting up your personal geofence locations where Portum is working to keep you safe. Of course, helping you manage and store information about how you feel is at the heart of keeping everyone safe. Portum makes this easy. The My Health wallet stores all your information safely and securely on your device, including vaccinations and test results. In the event that you have spent time around someone in the Portum network who reports symptoms or submits a positive test result, you'll receive an exposure notification enabling you to take steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. The user who may be sick receives health recommendations per the local health guidelines, and other users that have been in close contact to that user receive exposure notifications. This all happens anonymously. Daily symptom checks help you protect yourself and the health of your loved ones and coworkers. After completing this, you're able to generate your Portum Pass, confirming that you're A-OK to enter the office today. Most importantly, you can enter your own COVID test results, a key tool in our fight against this virus. Right from the main menu, you select Test, and you can quickly capture your results. Portum even provides reminders if you find yourself getting a little too close for comfort. Safe harbors highlighted with a green Portum network symbol alert you to nearby businesses that are also working with Portum to provide even more protection for you. Finally, we take your privacy very seriously. You're in control with Portum. If you choose to remove Portum from your device, just select Delete My Account from the settings screen. This will delete any and all data associated with your account. That's part of the Portum promise.